Today, Boomer the dog has had a very exciting idea. He is going to have an absolutely fun week. Will you help him?
Yay!
Today, Boomer is very happy. Let's find him all 8 of his favorite tennis balls so that we can go play fetch.
Yay! 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 Yay!
Congrats! You found all.
Today, Boomer is at the park. He has found 8 sticks, and he has hid them at 8 different locations in the park. Look around using your mouse and click on all 8 sticks independently.
Yay! 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 Yay!
Congrats! You found all.
Today, Boomer is very sad. Let's find him 8 roses from the garden to cheer him up.
Yay! 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 Yay!
Congrats! You found all.
Today is Boomer's day of rest. To honor his day of rest today, let's find him 8 different books that he can read.
Yay! 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 Yay!
Today, Boomer is very sleepy. Let's find him 8 pillows so that he can have a very peaceful nap.
Yay! 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 Yay!
Congrats!
Today, Boomer thinks that he has seen a ghost. Let's find him 8 different. Today is the music festival. Please activate your computer's microphone and sing into your microphone your favorite song and help Boomer be happy. Again, please sing into the microphone. If you're having trouble, you could get a parent's help. Please sing into the microphone on the bottom left. Most microphones are located physically. Job on today's challenge. Hooray! You have helped Boomer have an absolutely fun week. Because of how thankful he is very happy.